In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a spell check in the new Outlook app. Whether you're drafting an important email or a quick message, ensuring that your spelling is accurate is crucial. So let's get right into it and make sure your emails are polished and professional. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a sign in option located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your main Outlook dashboard. Next, you'll want to click on the New Mail button. This is where you start drafting your email. Go ahead and write your message in the body of the email. Just type it out naturally, don't worry about spelling at this point because that's what we're here to fix. Once you've finished typing your email, look towards the far right toolbar. You'll notice three little dots. It's kind of like a More options menu. Click on those dots and you'll see several tools and settings pop up. What you want to do next is hover over the option labelled Editor. This is where the magic happens. From the menu that appears, click on Open Editor. This will launch a suite of editing tools that can help you with everything from grammar to conciseness, but let's zero in on spelling for now. In the editor, locate the spelling option, click on it, and the tool will begin scanning your text for any spelling errors or suggestions for corrections. It's very intuitive. Incorrectly spelt words are usually underlined in red. The editor will provide suggestions that you can accept or reject, depending on what fits best in the context. If you find a word that's underlined but correctly spelt because it's a specialized term or name, you can choose to add it to your Outlook dictionary, ensuring it's recognized in future writing. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to ensure your emails are free from spelling errors using the new Outlook app. This simple step can make a big difference in how you communicate professionally. By investing just a few extra moments in each email, you can confidently hit send, knowing your message is clear and error-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on mastering your digital tools.